Have you ever wished you could bring the sparkle and joy of Christmas into the summer sun? What if you could host a celebration complete with twinkling lights, festive treats, and tropical flair, all while wearing shorts and enjoying the warm breeze? Welcome to Christmas in July, a holiday filled with creativity, warmth, and summer fun. In today's video, we're sharing decoration, food, activity, and gift ideas that blend traditional Christmas charm with summer ease, helping you host an unforgettable event mid-year. Whether you're planning a backyard bash, cozy indoor party, or poolside gathering, this guide has everything you need to make Christmas in July magical.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What's the origin of Christmas in July, and why is it gaining popularity? Christmas in July has roots in mid-20th century summer camps and churches who played Christmas music and held themed parties during summer months. Over time, the concept evolved, becoming an excuse to celebrate halfway through the year with festive cheer and laid-back fun. Today, it's a creative way to recharge your holiday spirit in warm weather, avoiding winter chills while embracing the best of both seasons. Online trends have boosted its popularity, with brands offering themed sales and creators sharing tropical decor ideas. The charm lies in its blend of nostalgia and novelty. It evokes Christmas sentiment, but encourages summery creativity, making it perfect for family fun and themed gatherings. Don't forget to hit like and share this video if you love the idea of festive summer celebrations. How can you style a Christmas in July food and drink menu? Merge summer favorites with holiday flair. Serve grilled shrimp skewers seasoned with festive spices like cinnamon and clove. Offer tropical salads, mango, avocado, coconut flakes, with a hint of holiday herbs. For dessert, make peppermint bark with white chocolate and crushed candy cane over coconut bark. Use cookie cutters, shaped like stars or trees for watermelon or cheese. On the drink side, craft rum punch in Christmas red with pineapple slices, or frozen margaritas with green mint and white coconut cream. Garnish with edible snowflake sugar. Serve drinks in festive glasses with straws shaped like candy canes, and top with mini umbrellas or pastry cookies. Offer a DIY hot cocoa bar with cold and tart toppings, marshmallows, sprinkles, small spoons of peppermint. This menu sings summer and holiday simultaneously. Check out the playlist below for step-by-step recipes and styling tips you can recreate at your party. What are some creative decoration ideas to set the scene? To bring the fantasy to life, think outside the box. Hang festive string lights across your patio or backyard. Choose white or multicolor to match your theme. Weave in garlands with shells, tropical leaves, and Christmas baubles for a summery alternative to traditional wreaths. Decorate tables with centerpieces made of fresh pine cones, citrus fruits, and floating tea lights in mason jars. Place inflatable palm trees wrapped in fairy lights as corner accents. Create a photo backdrop using a white banner with tropical print or Santa surfing on the beach. Don't forget Christmas stockings turned into planters, candy cane striped beach umbrellas, and snowflake-shaped paper lanterns for whimsy. These touches make your space feel festive while staying breezy and fun. How do you balance indoor comfort and outdoor atmosphere? Since summer parties can get hot, create cool indoor oasis areas. Hang a blend of fan-powered wreaths, LED snowball lights, and misting fans for freshness. Use outdoor rugs to define zones, like food, seating, or games. Provide extra sun protection with tiki-style umbrellas or canopies. Keep cool drinks in a cooler or iced buckets with sliced fruits, lemon lime water, coconut water, or iced tea. Add cushions and throws for cool mornings or evenings. Ensure breezy flow by leaving windows open or using screens. With the right setup, your event can offer both summer comfort and Christmas charm, indoors and out, without your guests melting under the sun. Subscribe if you want more easy tips to elevate both indoor and outdoor party spaces this summer. What activities and entertainment suit a Christmas in July party? Set the mood with festive music remixed into tropical beats. Think a steel drum version of Jingle Bells. Choose easy summer games like water balloon toss, but give them Christmas flair by using red and green balloons. Host an ornament decorating station with painted wooden balls or shells. Set up a photo booth featuring props like Santa sunglasses, fake snow, and beach hats. Enjoy a holiday movie night outside. Think a Christmas star or elf on a projector, surrounded by blankets and tiki torch lighting. You could even organize a gift exchange with tropical-themed Secret Santa gifts. These shared moments keep your celebration engaging, festive, and relaxed, a perfect blend of traditions. How do you choose the perfect Christmas in July color palette and theme? Start with classic holiday tones like deep reds, emerald greens, and snowy whites. Then add bright summery colors, turquoise, coral, and sunshine yellow, to create a cheerful beach vibe fusion. Incorporate fantastical motifs like flamingos wearing Santa hats, surfboard-shaped cookie cutters, or palm tree wreaths with fairy lights. For a cohesive look, repeat the same shades and icons across your decor, from table settings to banners. Use metallic accents like gold or iridescent finishes to keep things upbeat. The goal: Evoke Christmas nostalgia without losing summer charm. If bold colors aren't your style, you can still lean into a minimalist theme. Think white, silver, and greenery, with tropical leaf accents for a refined, seasonal vibe. Let me know your theme ideas in the comments. I love seeing your creative spins on this fun concept. So if you've been looking for a cheerful reason to celebrate during the summer months, Christmas in July delivers creative, heartwarming fun without the winter chill. With thoughtful colors, tropical holiday decor, imaginative food and drinks, engaging games, gift ideas, sustainability, social sharing, and small space flexibility, you have everything you need to host a party that's festive, fresh, and unforgettable. Whether your event is big or small, Christmas in July bridges joyful traditions and sunny innovation. Make your summer sparkle, because joy belongs in every season.